Hi everyone, it's Phil here. Now welcome to my low impact beginner interval training session that you can do anywhere, anytime, because you don't need any equipment at all. Now we're going to do 10 different exercises for 40 seconds of each exercise with a 20-second break between exercises. So follow along with me right now. Low impact jumping jacks. Halfway there, 20 seconds to go. Ten seconds to go. 3, 2, 1, and stop. Alright, get ready. 3, 2, 1. Step and punches. Step, step, punch, punch. Step, step, punch up. Step, step, punch, punch. Step, step, up, up. So breathe out each time. Halfway there, 20 seconds to go. 10 seconds to go. 3, 2, 1, and stop. All right, get ready. 3, 2, 1, 3-step clap. Halfway there, 20 seconds to go. 10 seconds to go. 3, 2, 1, and stop. All right, get ready. 3, 2, 1. Walking high knees, so just get the legs up and arms working at the same time. So nice and high. Increase the speed if you can. Halfway there, 20 seconds to go. 10 seconds to go. 3, 2, 1, and stop. All right, get ready. 3, 2, 1, 3-step to knee touch. So walking and touch. If you find that too easy or you want to step it up a little bit, we can always go a little bit faster and gently jump side to side. Otherwise, keep walking and touch. Halfway there, 20 seconds to go. 10 seconds to go. 3, 2, 1, and stop. All right, get ready. 3, 2, 1. So aerobic step, box step, legs together, step out, tap, and go with the other leg. So keep changing legs each time. If you find you're a little bit all over the place, as long as you're moving, that's fine. You can even sprint on the spot. Otherwise, we step out and go. Halfway there, 20 seconds to go. Ten seconds to go. 3, 2, 1, and stop. All right, get ready. 3, 2, 1. Side steps. Nice and softly side to side. Little bounce if you can, but otherwise, just step out and touch. Halfway there, 20 seconds to go. Ten seconds to go. 3, 2, 1, and stop. All right, get ready. 3, 2, 1, standing crossovers. So opposite arm and leg, bringing them in together. Halfway there, 20 seconds to go. Ten seconds to go. 3, 2, 1, and stop. All right, get ready. 3, 2, 1, shuffle ups. Halfway there, 20 seconds to go. Ten seconds to go. 3, 2, 1, and stop. All right, get ready. 3, 2, 1. I need chops. Starting with the arms up in the air. Bring it down to your knee. 5 on one side, 5 on the other side. Fast as you can. Halfway there, 20 seconds to go. 10 seconds to go. 3, 2, 1, and stop. So there you have it. That's a quick fire 10-minute interval training workout. Now, if you have more time on your hands, I recommend you turn this into a 20 or 30-minute interval training workout. So to do so, if you want to do a 20-minute workout, go back to the start and repeat this workout one more time. However, if you want a 30-minute workout, go back to the start of this video and do it 2 more times. Now, if you found this workout either too easy for you or too hard for you, I provided a link in the description, which will take you back to my website where you'll find more interval training workouts. So you'll find beginner, intermediate, and advanced workouts. So this will allow you to exercise at a level that is suitable to your current fitness levels. It will also allow you to progress through the difficulty levels as your fitness levels improve. So go and check it out right now. If you like this video and you want more, you know what to do. Hit that notification bell, subscribe, and like, and you're gonna get a whole lot more. However, if you want to take away all of the guesswork and have everything mapped out for you, come to philhartshorn.com, where you'll find my exercise programs, including at-home programs or gym programs, meal plans, including 4-week healthy eating meal plans, recipe books with over 380 healthy eating recipes, and a whole lot more. You'll have everything you need to achieve your health and fitness goals. So thank you for watching and see you next time.